Okay guys, CPA marketing method that I'm going to show you in today's video converts really well, and later I'm going to explain to you why this method converts so well. And yes, you can apply this method on Max Bounty, on CPA Lead, on CPA Build, on CpaGrip or any other CPA affiliate network. And first thing you need to do, you need to provide value. So to do that, you can go on ChatGPT and ask it to write you ebook or valuable article or something like that. Or you can simply go on a website called FreePLR Downloads, and here you can find the free ebooks. And here on the left side, you can see most searched terms. So for example, let's just say I wish to use self-help. And here I can find lots of self-help free ebooks that I can give away. So let's say, for example, I wish to use this first one here. And all I have to do now is just scroll here and then click here on this blue download button and download this to my desktop. Now, next thing you need to do, this is really important, you need to go on website called winrar.com, and you need to download free version of this small software. That is important. You don't need to buy it. You can use free version. Now, next thing you need to do, this is really important. So after you downloaded this ebook from FreePLR Downloads and after you installed the WinRAR on your computer, next thing you need to do, you need to actually go on your desktop and you need to click on that ebook, right click here, and then you need to go here where it says WinRAR and then click here, add to archive. This is really important. And then click here, zip, okay? And then click here, set password. We wish to lock this ebook, okay? Here you need to set up password. So let's just say, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you need to repeat the password, again 1, 2, 3, 4, and then click here on OK, and again click here on OK, and that's it. I actually locked this. So when I right click here and then go here, open with WinRAR, and when I try to, let me just move this, okay, when I try here, I cannot, it asks me for password. I need to enter the password in order to read this ebook. So let me just close this. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to go on a website called Pastebin, and here you need to add your password. So I can say something like password is, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, you will add something like password for the ebook, for this ebook, and you will add the title of this ebook. And all you have to do now is just scroll here. You don't really need to do anything here. Just scroll here, click on create new paste, okay? And you created new paste. And now what you need to do, you need to click here on row, okay? And this is how this looks. So now I need to copy the link to this page here, and now I need to go on CpaGrip in this case, and I need to create a URL locker, okay? Here you can see how this looks, and what I need to do, I actually need to click here on templates, and here you can see they have lots of templates, but what I personally like to do, I like to use either human verification template or CAPTCHA template. Now for this purpose, I'm going to use CAPTCHA, okay? And then go back here on general, and here where it says locked URL, I need to paste my Pastebin link, okay? Here where it says complete the CAPTCHA below to continue, I will say complete the CAPTCHA below to get password, okay, to get password, okay? And here where it says after completion, the resource will be unlocked, I will say this, the password, okay, password will be unlocked, okay? And now they need to complete this survey in order to get the password. All I have to do now is just click here on save, okay? And then click here on get links, okay? And this is my CpaGrip URL locker. And now what I need to do, I need to create a TXT file, something like this. The file is protected by password to prevent spam. Access the password by entering CAPTCHA, and then here where it says the link, I need to add my CpaGrip URL locker, and then click here on next, click here on save, and save this TXT file on my desktop, and I will name it password. That is really important because people need to know what this file is. So I will name it password. Okay, password, and then click here on save, and that's it. And now I need to minimize this, and all I have to do now is just I need to drag this here in this RAR file. That is literally all I have to do. So when I open this, here you can see this is the ebook and this is the password. So now when they open the password, they will see this and they will need to open this file. And now what you need to do, you actually need to host this zipped file, this RAR file somewhere. Now I would suggest to actually host that file on appforever.com. And here you can see they actually have 3 plans. And when you scroll here, you can see normal membership is $0. It is absolutely free. So why do I actually suggest you to host your RAR file on this website? Because when you click here, make money, here you can see that you can actually make money. You can make up to $7 for 1,000 downloads. Now it is not that much money, but why not make some extra money when you are already driving traffic to your RAR file, right? So why not make some more money? And all you have to do after you upload your RAR file on this website, just start driving as much traffic as you can to that file. Promote it on related Facebook groups, on Reddit, on Pinterest, on Twitter, on Instagram, TikTok, related forums, and so on and so on. And the reason why this method converts so well is because those people can actually download this ebook totally free. They don't have to do any captchas, they don't have to do any surveys, they don't have to do anything. They can download that ebook from Up Forever totally free. They don't have to do anything. But in order to actually read that ebook, they will need to complete the survey, because that is the only way for them to get the password. That is why they need to convert. That is why this method converts so well, and that is why this is one of the best converting ways to do CPA marketing in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.